Today I'm going to show everybody the LB7 Duramax valve cover diaphragm, vent tube diaphragm. I don't know the official name for this part, but as you can see, it is right there, 97222874. When a dealership will charge you about 15 bucks. Now, I've been told everybody you could only replace this part with the valve cover off. Based on, I have the valve cover off, and I'm gonna check it out. We're gonna see if these guys right here are serviceable on top of just by unscrewing these four and putting it back on. They sure look like they are. If you can see, here's the underside of your valve cover. There's certainly nothing that to be serviced on the underside. Okay, there's a spring. You're definitely going to reuse the spring. Spin off the dirt. Get your rubber cover in there because there's these tabs on the side. There you go, that makes it a lot easier actually. Now I just need to get it inside the sure it's in there, and we can screw it back down. I've got our new serviceable rubber diaphragm in there. Like I said, it just drains into there, so there's nothing to service underneath. And very easy to do. Valve covers off. Probably if you remove enough stuff, it sure appears like you can do it. Valve cover still on the truck too. Thanks for watching.